Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my pictures for my Etsy listings and Instagram. So if you want really cute pictures like these, then keep watching. So the app that I use is PixArt. I do have the paid version, but you can still get pretty much all these options with just the free version. So I'm starting off with cropping the photo into the square. And then I usually just play with a bunch of these filters. My favorite filter is the grunge one. I think it adds like a really nice dark hue to it without being super overpowering. Then I like to play with the brushes. I use the sparkles a lot. Then I'm going to go over to the stickers and find something that kind of matches the same vibe as the picture. I added these cute little clouds with some more sparkles on them. Then I just kind of erased around the heart locket so that it's completely visible and the clouds aren't blocking the view of the necklace. Added this cute little frame. I think it works nicely with the vibe of this picture. I like this kind of editing because it's very eye-catching to the viewer. And of course, that's the most important thing when you're putting your items on Etsy, because there's thousands of listings on there and you want to make sure you stand out. Same goes with Instagram as well. Whatever is eye-catching will get the most views and likes, of course. Alright guys, and that is how I edited this super aesthetic, pretty picture of mine that I'm going to be putting on my Etsy and Instagram. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something from this video. I would love to see any pictures that you made using this editing technique, so make sure you follow me and tag me on your posts. And comment on my post if you came from this video. And of course, if you have any requested videos, feel free to leave a comment and I will get to making that video for you. Alright, thank you so much guys. I hope you have a great day.